Dissertation or thesis submission. Are you ready to submit and what to have handy? This video is to help you to know if you are ready to submit your thesis or dissertation and what to have handy at the time. Are you ready to submit your thesis? Are you ready to submit your dissertation? Where to submit both theses and dissertations, where to submit your dissertation for distribution, where to find them after they are published, and the checklist, what to have available when I am submitting my thesis or dissertation. Are you ready to submit your thesis? First, have you taken care of all alt text requirements? Second, have you taken care of all required licensing if it was needed? Third, all spelling, grammar, edits, and factual issues have been corrected. Fourth, have you been told by your instructor that it is time to submit? Are you ready to submit your dissertation? First, have you taken care of all alt text requirements? Second, have you taken care of all required licensing if it was needed? Third, all spelling, grammar, edits, and factual issues have been corrected. Fourth, have you passed your defense? Fifth, you have the signatures on your signature page for the dissertation. Where to submit both theses and dissertations. The title may vary, but it all leads to the same place. In Canvas, in the appropriate course shell, look for the library resource page. That course may be the DMFT Dissertation Central or the last thesis course, depending on your discipline. There at the bottom of that page, you should find a link to submit your thesis or dissertation to the institutional repository. It is a Microsoft form operated by the library. If you are stuck, contact the Darling Library by email. Where to submit your dissertation for distribution. Again, in the right Canvas shell, look for the library resource page. At the bottom, look for the link to the ETD Administrator. The ETD Administrator is our university's link to the ProQuest database where your dissertation will reside. It is administered by the library. If you are stuck, contact the Darling Library by email. Where to find them after they are published. Theses and dissertations will be published in our institutional repository. The link is found below. Dissertations submitted to the ETD Administrator and selected to be open access are to be found at pqdtopen.proquest.com. Checklist. What to have on hand while submitting the dissertation. PDF of your finished thesis or dissertation as a single file. For dissertations, try to merge with the signature sheet. Abstract. You will copy and paste the abstract while submitting. This will include keywords. Any supplementary files, images, data, etc. that are not a part of the full text. Advisory and committee members' names. All names, first and last, or the signature page for dissertations. Subject categories, 1 to 3 that best describe the subject of your paper. And know the date you passed your defense or when the thesis course ends. Feel free to discuss the categories and the keywords with the librarian. They want your paper to be widely seen and will look for the best, most appropriate subjects. Any questions about your rights or responsibilities as an author or about the submission process should be directed to the library. Our email is found below. We're also available through live chat during business hours. Questions about your topic or the defense should be directed to your committee chair, supervisor, or readers.